First guy I'm bringing to the stage from here in LA. He's been on a win streak. Make it up for Armando Torres. Oh, you're on the street, coach.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Hey, what Armando? Good to see you, player. Welcome back. You're battling Ashley Johnson. Who called who out?
Ashley called me out.
Oh shit, why'd you accept?
Oh man, that's a goofy dude. You ever seen him?
We're about to meet him. All the way from Virginia. You'll like the way he looks. Make a lot for Ashley Johnson. Holy shit.
You never been to one of those shows?
Ooh.
You never been to those shows?
No, I've never been there.
They're good.
Man, this is the battle of Scruffy versus Fluffy.
Gabriel Iglesias has a show at Staples Center in February. Check it out online. Fluffy.com, everybody. Fluffy.com. You called this guy out. Why'd you call him out?
It was going to be either here or like a backyard wrestling match in Riverside somewhere. So I figured here's a better place.
Let's be real. Neither of you guys have backyards.
Ghostbusters back, everybody. Mike.
I mean, I've always wanted to see the mosh pit of a Papa Roach concert.
This is like a Venn diagram of you, Mike. This show right here.
Get it!
Tell me what you think about this battle that you're about to see. Are you scared?
I see them physically fight. Like, I want to see them physically. Fuck the jokes.
Fuck the jokes.
Cut off everything. Knives.
I mean, this guy looks like the wall they're gonna build. And the other guy looks like the guy who protects the wall on Game of Thrones.
Hold the door. Saudi Prince, what do you think about this battle?
Oh, this is looking good, my friend. You have a Kimbo Slice on the left against
Pizza Slice.
Pizza Slice against the fat kid from Modern Family on the right.
He's not grown up. Oh shit.
Looking exciting. I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, me too. It's one round, it's 3 jokes. Who wants to go first?
I'll go first.
Hey, Dreamer, racist. Are we ready? Let's roast.
Ashley looks like Shel Silverstein if he wrote The Lynching Tree.
That's good. I'll take that. Armando lives in a Honda Accord right now. It's the only motherfucker I know that has a sleep apnea machine with a car charger connected to it.
Ah, man. Ashley's gay dad divorced his mom.
True story.
I hope you follow his example and get rid of your disgusting beard, too.
You grow a beard like this, but your people can't grow anything this long without harvesting it first. Armando just turned 22, or as his doctor puts it, pre-diabetic.
That was pretty good, sons of faggotry. Ashley likes to snort coke and drink whiskey, but that's the only time he thinks that browns and whites should mix.
True. Fair enough. Armando can't find an apartment because all his landlords are scared he's going to burst through the walls with a new flavor of horchata.
Armando Torres. Great fucking battle, you two. Man. the hardest you guys have ever worked. Fire Squad, who do you like in this one?
I mean, that battle was a surprise, and not just because it took Ashley to the second joke to say "you people." That was fucking great, man. It's like, I love when fat ugly people remember they have to be talented to survive in show business. Why do you think I'm doing more jokes than everyone? One of us. Oh, fuck. You guys did so good. Baskin and Robbins should give a 32 flavor tonight. A 30. See, I fucked up. You both were fucking awesome. I have to say, just based on the last joke, I gotta give it to Ashley. Yeah. Although, I do not want to read his review of Black Panther.
You're basing on the horchata joke you're basing that?
Yeah.
Just based on everything. Yeah.
It was fun. Tony, who you like in this one?
Yo, this was a dope battle, man. We came out the gate swinging, body, meaty hits in one another's bars. It was girthy, and I liked it. It was a girthy battle, you know what I'm saying? I was feeling that they had some heft to it. But I gotta give it up to the host of the clan game nights, Ashley.
We're doing roulette next week, so you should
I'm
come.
not pulling up. I will not be pulling up, but you won that one by a thread, man. That was good shit. That was good shit.
Jeff, you saw this. What do you think?
Both had great jokes. You both had a great rapport with one another. Your timing back and forth was great. You could wear each other's clothes. It's I can honestly, and all the jokes were sort of, original, which is really fun to see. The horchata joke, was that supposed to be a tribute to the Kool-Aid?
The late great Kool-Aid man? Yeah. Is he dead? It's diabetes killed him early.
All right. It felt like a tribute to Mike Lawrence's joke about Ralphie May with a little twist on the Mexican angle, which I thought was kind of fun, but maybe he didn't mean it that way.
I mean, he's a fat dude. I mean, it's right there.
I mean, it does look like he's smuggling his family into the country.
Shaped like a refrigerator.
He did say that, Jamar. Terrorism, what do you think about this battle?
I really liked it, my friend. I'm going to give it 1 tower down.
At 1.5?
Wait, sorry, which one?
Which one?
The two of them together could create 1 tower down. I really like they both represent the different types of lesbian haircuts. This is the haircut on top, and that's the haircut on bottom.
Took you guys a minute. I like it, right? Yeah. You guys perform like a terror cell, you know what I mean? North Korea and whatever he's from.
Just got activated. No, I really liked it. I really like his aggressive mullet, the chemo on top and electrical socket on bottom.
You got any more top-bottom jokes?
I'll save those for later.
All right, audience, who do you like? Do you like Armando Torres? Right? He's a really good battle. Or do you like Ashley Johnson? You got Ashley? One more joke? One more? All right, you went first last time. So Ash, you're up first this time. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Overtime, 1 joke each. Let's roast!
Armando picks all of his jackets out based on which one's a good blanket for when he sleeps in his car.
Ashley Johnson sounds like the name of the woman that Ashley Johnson would rape.
Okay, easy on it. You got your helper.
You got your fix.
Yeah. Now who do you like? Do you like Ashley? Or do you like Mondo? How'd it go? Overtime win. So close. Big up Armando Torres! Hug each other. Please hug each other.